Hi children, how are you all? All are fine at home? Dear students, today let us start exercise 5.1. Which of the following figures have been divided into parts of the same size? See, there are the four figures they given A, B, C, D. First A figure you observe. This figure is divided into the same size. Yes, looking like same. These two are same size and these two are same size. But this is divided into equal size. Not this is as different. This is different and this is different. It is not divided as a equal parts. Yes, this is wrong. You see the second one. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are there. In that 4 is shaded and not 4 is not shaded. Okay, but every part is equal in size. Yes, our answer is this is correct. See, you see this one circle. There are the two parts. One is shaded and one more is not shaded. But these sizes are same. And you see the fourth one. Two circles are there. One is small circle and another one is big circle. But these same size are not same. Second one. Draw a line or lines to divide of these figures into the required number of equal parts. What we should do? We should make the equal parts. All of you take scale and pencil in your hand. Okay, see how many equal parts they told to do? 2 equal parts. Yes, 2 equal parts. Yes. This one, how many? 4 equal parts. Yes, 2 equal parts. And then 4 equal parts. Okay. Next. Here they told to make 6 equal parts. See how to do. This is, it will become 2 equal parts. Okay. And here you make it 4 equal parts. Then yes. How many equal parts count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Next, last one. Yes. How many? 8 equal parts. Count now. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the equally 5. And this is 1, 2, 3. How many? 5 plus 3 is how many equal parts? It will become 8 equal parts. Next, third one. Write each of the following as a fraction. Okay, see children, how to write. See, I am writing in the textbook, but you should write in the fair note. See, half. Half means what? 1 by 2. Okay, then 2/3. See, 2/3 means 2 by 3. Next, 2/10. 2/10 means 2 by 10. Next, 5/7. 5/7 means 5 by 7. 5/16. 5 by 16 means 16. Okay. Next, 5/12. 5/12. 5 by 12. 8/19. What is that? 8/19. Okay. Then 4/19. Very easy now to write. 4/19. 3/4. All of you know how to write 3/4. Then 2/5. 2/5. Yes. If we are given like this 1/2 we are given means 1/2 means what we should write? 1/2 or half. 2/3 means that is 2/3. This one write the each of the following as a fraction. This is the fraction. Fractions means what? It containing the two numbers. One is the numerator and one more is the denominator. Is it clear, dear students? Next. Write each of the fractions in words. First one, what it is, dear students? 2/5. How to write this one? 2/5. Right here. 2/5. Okay. Then second one, 3/4. Otherwise, what we are writing? 3/4. 3/4. Next, 7/10. 11/12. Next, 2/3. 4/5. 5/8. 3/7. Next, 5/6. Next, last one is 7/9. Next one, fifth one. What fraction of the figure is shaded? Dear students, in fair note, you should draw like this and color the figures. Okay. Now I will write the answers. What fractions of the figure is shaded? Yes. See, now you count how many parts are there in this whole. 1, 2, 3. Yes, write the denominator place. Whole is you should write in the denominator. And how many shaded parts is there? Numerator. How many? 2, 1 and 2. Yes. 2/3. Next one. B. See how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. 1, 2. 2 is shaded. Okay. Next one. Third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many parts are there? 8. How many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shaded part. Next one. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many parts? 12 parts. How many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shaded parts are 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many parts are there? 15 parts. In that how many is shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is shaded parts. Next one. F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 parts. In that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded. Is it clear? In fair note, you should draw and color the figures. Next one, sixth one, fill-ups. Fill in the blanks. The denominator of the fraction is, which is the denominator? All of you know, up one is the numerator, down one is the denominator. You tell me which is the denominator now. What is that? 8. Otherwise, you write in the words EIGHT 8. Okay. The numerator of the fraction 2 by 5 is, numerator is which one here? 2. Otherwise, you write TWO 2. Okay. Next. 3 is the dash of the fraction. What is that? Down one is what? Denominator of the fraction. Denominator. Okay. D. 1 is the dash of the fraction. Up one is what it is? Numerator. Numerator. In a fraction, the denominator is written below the dash separated by a line. In a fraction, denominator is written below the what? Numerator. Numerator separated by a line. 7th one. Write down the fractions of the colored portion in these figures. Fractions you should write. All of you know how to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the parts. 5 are there in that. How many shaded are colored portion is 1. Okay, like this you should draw the figures and color, dear children. Next, second one. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is shaded? 2. Third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 is shaded part. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many shaded? 1, 2, 3. Next, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many shaded in that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Dear students, in this class, exercise 5.1 up to 7th main you solved. Okay. Sit and complete your notes up to 7th main. Thank you.